So we're here down in Albuquerque, New Mexico at some kind of car show. Not sure what it's called. There's a bunch of oldies here. Sorry. Ooh, I like the flames on that one. So I guess today's topic is gonna go ahead and be cars.
This is my car. We've been building it for a long time. We're working on it for close to about 10 years now. Everything is pretty much custom made. Parts are built and gathered from various things. I mean, we got everything from dirt bikes to four-wheeler parts, boat parts. We got so many different parts in here you can't even name it. Runs really great. Climbs really good. Jumped it like 16 yards already. Got it about 7 feet up in the air. Landed sweet. It's a really nice car. We're driving a 302, and it's on an 84 Bronco, and body itself is a 34 sedan.
Wow. And your name was again?
The what?
Your name was?
Mine? I'm Dennis. My name is Dennis.
Do you have a name for the car?
Not really. Right now it's more like just a big bill. We call it the big bill, I guess. No, we just call it the hot rod. It doesn't really have a name per se yet. Once I'm done, I'll probably give a name to it once I get the finishing paint job and stuff. Everybody's got their own little ideas. A lot of these aren't really finished yet, but they're works in progress, just like mine. And yeah, it's good to be out and show off something that you've been working hard on.
Well, anyway, guys, that was my day at the Rumblers, New Mexico, Albuquerque car show. I guess that's it. One last note, the two common question of the days are going to have to be, what's your favorite oldie car? And do you ever go to car shows? Go ahead and answer in the comments below. That's about it.